Well, hello there. Wanted to share a video here of a pipe I just completed. This is a blooming Dublin. It sort of takes a shape of a blooming flower, I suppose, a petal on the front and a petal on the back of the pipe. You've got these smooth concave sides that run from the top of the bowl out the shank and then incorporated into the end. This is some Zebrawood on the mortise that's stabilized and buffed. Black ebonite stem, 1.5 ounces in weight. The bowl is about 1 3/4 deep, little bit deeper, maybe 1 7/8, and it's a 3/4 inch diameter. But this turned out really cool. I'll put my stamp on there. I just noticed I didn't do that, but it's easy to do. You got some cool grain that came through with the blast there, and then complementing it on the front. So there you go. Some plateau on the top. A little bit of everything. All right. Well, thanks for watching. Bye.